India is very close to getting its regulations regarding cryptocurrency. Now, this is one sector which is gaining a lot of momentum but has not been regulated till now. Prime Minister Modi chaired a high-level meeting expressing his concerns about the unregulated sector, but nowhere does this mean that there is going to be a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies in India. But before we even move ahead to celebrate the recent developments, let's learn what will be allowed and what may not be allowed for cryptocurrency usage in India. India's approach towards cryptocurrencies is protective in nature. So if any bill is introduced, it's going to be done with an approach to protect the investors' money. So if you've invested in cryptos, there's nothing to panic about at the moment. If we talk about trading cryptocurrencies, it is going to continue. Investors will be allowed to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from exchange platforms, but the platforms should follow the guidelines. There are multiple signs that show crypto will be classified as an asset class rather than a currency. So this means you will be able to invest and grow your money with crypto. Now, reports are also suggesting that the government is exploring new ways to generate revenues from cryptocurrencies. Now, the current taxes on cryptocurrencies are likely to change. The new bill will definitely give much more insight into cryptocurrency taxes. Up until now, anyone could go to the internet and make a crypto coin for themselves. This is how it was working. Now, this might become difficult once the government regulations come by. It's believed that regulations will be set and only those who fulfill the criteria will be able to create crypto. Now, a lot of enthusiasts and people came together behind the idea of making rupee and the Bitcoin coexist as legal tender, but it is highly unlikely that crypto will be made as a legal tender. Simply put, you won't be able to use Bitcoin to buy your favorite pizza and burgers. One of the most important things to figure here is who will regulate cryptocurrencies. Now, you may think that the Reserve Bank of India would be the first choice to regulate cryptocurrencies, but they have intentions to introduce their very own digital currency. So another possible option to regulate crypto is through SEBI. But please do not be surprised if the government comes up with a completely new body to regulate cryptocurrencies which does not work under the RBI or SEBI.